Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Today we're using carrots to make this easy and delicious spreadable carrot dip that can be used as a dip or a spread in your sandwiches or wraps. Let's get started. Cut 1.5 cups of carrot coins that's about 1/8 inch thick. Add a little water to steam the carrots in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes until they are soft when the fork can poke through the carrots easily. In the blender, 1 cup canned cannellini beans. Save a 1/4 cup of the bean liquid to use later. This bean liquid is salted starch water that helps make this dish creamy and spreadable. Buy lower sodium canned beans if you are watching your salt intake. Add the carrots, olive oil, the bean liquid, chopped fresh garlic, chili powder, and seasoning blend like Mrs. Stash here. Blend all the ingredients together. You may need to stop and scrape a couple of times until it becomes pasty. Because there's already some salt on the bean liquid, all you need is a 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt here. Use less amount if you use table salt. Otherwise, it may get too salty. 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice, which is about half a lemon. Now blend for 2 more minutes or until you get a consistency you like. See how creamy this spreadable carrot dip is? You can serve this as a vegetable dip, a spread for your sandwiches or wraps. Isn't this dish versatile? Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and come back to see more ideas on using carrots. Happy eating and see you next time.